Hi. So let's go ahead and check out and see how we can review and live annotate to a website. And it's an amazing way to share feedback and your reviews with your coworkers and collaborators and stakeholders. So let's go ahead and get to it. So the first thing we got to do is click on a project, and then we'll go to the files and URLs menu in the left hand side menu bar. And as you can see, there are no files added, so either you can click on add button here, or you can use this button too, and then click on the URL option. And I'm gonna put the URL of our website, and then you can add our all of the details like homepage and everything else, based on what you're working on. And then you can go ahead and add, and then once it has been added, you can click on start review, and then it opens up in a whole new tab, and you will be able to give all of your comments, all of your feedback. You can annotate live over it, and it will be saving you tons and tons of time. As you can see, we are in the browse mode at this point, so it will enable us to scroll freely through it without adding any kind of annotation. Let's say, for example, I want to add some annotation here. So I will click on review, and then I'll click on the comment, and I'll add that, change the font size, and then click on add. Now, once the comment has been added, you can edit it, you can delete it, and if you're working with collaborators, they can also reply to you so that you can directly have a conversation here. And then you can continue to scroll, and also use the pencil to scribble around and add content through, make the CTA bigger. And the same thing, you can click on add, and then it will be the same thing. You can edit it, you can delete it, and people down here can have conversation with you directly if they want to. So thanks for watching, and I hope it helps you.